Hello guys, my name is Paul from Tumaini Mechanical Engineering. Welcome to another episode of Tumaini regarding the conveyors. And as discussed earlier, we had shared a previous video. We usually fabricate, supply, deliver, install and test all types of conveyors, especially for all tea manufacturing and processing factories, that is KTDA factories. And for conveyors, we have two types. There is cotton canvas conveyors, mostly used in sorting, and there is the green leaf conveyors, specifically PVC. These are the conveyors used from the GL whenever you load your teas in the GL, that is the monorail, the hook. It takes the conveyors to the withering section, the withering conveyors, all those types, especially the new designs. We have the new withering design called the automated withering machines, that is AWM. We fabricate and we supply those conveyors. If you need any, we have several of them. We can fabricate, deliver and install specifically tailored conveyors for your needs. And we have a sample. You can see them in the pictures. And we installed those conveyors in several factories, especially Region 1 and Region 2. And as you can see in the video above, those conveyors are working. Our designs are perfect, and you can give us a call so that we can discuss your needs and make or design a conveyor that specifically suits your needs, that has your measurements. We also consider factors like how many kilograms of tea do you process in a day. That determines the width of the conveyor. We also ensure that our conveyors are properly guarded. The speed is specifically tailored to suit the steepness, depending on how steep your landscape is, or maybe where the tea is supposed to be moved from end to. And you can give us a call. We'll assess and maybe give you a proper quote. Thank you guys.